What's up, guys? Have you seen this stuff called Bitcoin and cryptocurrency? This stuff is absolutely insane. Everywhere I go, people are asking, Jack, did you buy Bitcoin? Jack, are you going to buy Bitcoin? Jack, have you heard about Bitcoin? Have you heard about cryptocurrency? And the dudes next door have been trading it all day, and this thing is going absolutely nuts. I mean, you got dudes coming out from this side saying they're experts and the thing's been around for like a year. You got dudes coming around from this side thinking they're like geniuses for investing in it. It's nuts. It's absolutely nuts. If you guys haven't seen it yet, it is taken. Everywhere I go, people are asking me about Bitcoin. But I will say this, scared money don't make no money. So if you got scared money, you might as well put it under the mattress, because even the banks aren't ready for what cryptocurrency and the blockchain are gonna do. So in this video, guys, I wanna talk about Bitcoin, cryptocurrency, and the blockchain. If you haven't seen it yet, I just wanted to publish this here for the world to see, because it's documenting my idea at this point when Bitcoin and blockchain are going crazy. And is it here to stay? I don't know, but here are my thoughts. Alright guys, for those of you that know me and have met me in real life, I'm always in some kind of investment craziness, either real estate or stocks or whatever. I'm always investing in something and throwing money somewhere, being wild crazy. Because scared money doesn't make money, guys. That's how I made a bunch of money in Facebook stock. I wasn't scared. I don't want to do it again, but I wasn't scared. Bought it at 18. So the other day, it was about 2 months ago, we were talking in the office, and we were all talking about Bitcoin, and most people look at you like you're crazy when you're talking about Bitcoin. Like, Bitcoin, what is that? Is that like Super Mario Brothers, like running around finding coins, and Zelda and Link out there trying to find some doggone coins? No. If you don't know about Bitcoin and the blockchain idea, you got to get with the times. It is a total disruptor in banking and money and finance. Whether it's Bitcoin or another cryptocurrency is going to be, it's mind-blowing, but the blockchain is where it's at. And blockchain is just the idea of everything being stored. Blockchain is just a wild idea. You gotta Google it. Just go ahead and Google it. Everywhere I go, guys, people are talking about Bitcoin. Even the guys next door in the office yesterday were arguing about Bitcoin and trading it. You could hear it through the walls. The bars, people were talking about cryptocurrency. Is it a bubble? Is not? So I wanna give my thoughts on it. I'm gonna give my thoughts because I wanna document this, so 10 years from now, when I'm completely wrong, or we're completely wrong, or we're right, we can say I said so, and it's gonna be documented right here. So here are my thoughts. Thought number one, blockchain and crypto will change the world and put it on its head. It's number one. Number two, whatever the old money says, the old money is not going to leave without a fight, guys. We're talking bankers, Wall Streeters, the Federal Reserve, all those really rich old dudes out there that have dollars and banks. They are not going to go down without a fight. The Senate, what does the government do? They regulate currency, and they regulate how they protect us, right? So that being said, cryptocurrency is totally a disruptor with the idea of dollar and currency, because cryptocurrency is just a bunch of zeros and ones, algorithms, and weird stuff that goes from one person to another basically instantaneously. Nobody knows what this stuff really is. I don't care who you are. This stuff's only been around a few years. There's no experts. So nobody knows. There are no experts. This is just pure show. Everybody acting like they know what it is. Just because you made like a few $1,000 or tens of thousands or hundreds of thousands of dollars with crypto, Bitcoin Lite, Ethereum, whatever. You're not an expert. Nobody's an expert, even if you've made money, because it hasn't been around long enough. The bankers aren't experts. The Wall Street guys aren't experts, so don't ask them what it is, because it's not a stock. It's technically not a currency, but it's a currency because it doesn't like basically go by any of the laws of currency. This is just craziness. This is like the tulip fiasco, like hundreds of years ago. So the next point I want to say is, one of these days you're going to see a senator tweet, or Trump tweet, or anybody else tweet about cryptocurrency and if they should regulate. If that happens, whatever it does in the market, it will do this, because government regulation of cryptocurrency is going to happen. People say you can't regulate it, but you can, because they can regulate the wallet, and they can regulate how cash gets to the wallet, to the cryptocurrency, and then how it's taxed. Like right now, I think it's a total tax ploy. The hedge fund managers and the dumb money, the big money guys that are moving in, and they're using it as a tax haven because nobody's really figured out how to tax it and track it yet, but that's coming. I will say this, the blockchain idea is where it's at. The blockchain, that is gonna be the big idea, because the blockchain is like the matrix and everything is recorded from beginning to end, like on a Bitcoin, who owned it throughout history and back. It's crazy, and that storage is going to be a really huge thing in crypto, because you can basically put hundreds of thousands of dollars on a little bitty disk drive and you can lose that. And there's no going back once you lose the little key thing. So that is another thing. It can be stored in random places. It's just the idea of the bank is like, banks should be scared. Nobody knows how it's gonna result. And if there is a vanish sequence on it somehow and trillions of dollars have gone into it, boom, implosion of the entire economy. Because those dollars would just disappear and frolic back into the internet. It's wild. But I want to leave you with this, guys, is it a bubble? Well, anything that goes parabolic, the Fibonacci world will come back and get it, because everything has to retrace itself. It's just Fibonacci's numbers, if you've never looked at that. I think that it will retrace itself back a little bit. When regulation gets put in, when senators start bringing people in front of the committee to talk about it. I mean, look how Big Pharma was done. When politicians start tweeting about it and reversing how people are getting, they start putting news out saying that people are getting taken advantage of and the government just wants to help, but really they're trying to protect their own banking interests and the Federal Reserve, because the dollar is kind of how the world runs. You know, another thing that's really cool about the crypto idea is you can trade it 24 hours a day. You can, you know, be requesting and getting money, or you can request Bitcoins and stuff like that, Bitcoin Lite or whatever, Bitcoin Cash, any time in the day, and it just goes to your wallet. You don't have to wait for a trading exchange like the stock exchange to open, or a bank to do whatever its deal. As long as it's already in crypto or in your wallet, you can trade coins. I think that's pretty cool. So will it bust? Maybe. If not, it's gonna change the world. It might not be Bitcoin, it might be something else, but the idea around cryptocurrency and the blockchain is here to stay, and it's just gonna develop. This is just the tip of the iceberg, guys, of what's coming. So if you've not heard about cryptocurrency and Bitcoin, I wanted to put this out there just because I felt like making a video today, and this is what it was gonna be on. That's all I got, guys. Comment down below if you've traded Bitcoin or cryptocurrency, because everybody is doing it. I want to know if you're actually ahead or behind, or what your plans are. That's all I got, guys. See you later. Don't forget to like and subscribe.